is Neil digging out the dinghy. Hi everyone, this is Melanie, my husband Neil, and our son Decker. Join our family as we restore our ferro cement schooner Kiva, journey around Vancouver Island, and get ready to explore the world. Alright. Neil, look at me. You ready?
Not really.
I know. What are you going to be doing?
Finding my way through the snow. Melanie will take a picture of this or that window. Or see our front windows are buried.
It's still snowing. It's been snowing all night. It's frozen shut, isn't it? Uh-oh. Is it really frozen?
One eternity later.
No, stay, Oakley. Oakley, stay. That wood will be super slippery. Be very careful. This is crazy. What's up, Oakley? You having fun? No. You're gonna slide off the roof. Go! Go!
Oakley, no! My dinosaur!
Go that way. Go dig. Go dig up the front. Go! So this is about after we've shoveled it out. We still have those to do. Oakley, get off the roof. Go dig the front. Help us out. This is Neil digging out the dinghy. Hello.
No! You tried to do that, so I'm gonna do it to you.
Father-son snowball fight. Oakley. Leave the rope, Oakley. Hey, leave it. Oakley, good girl. No, leave it. Leave it. No, good girl.